everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I just came back from Walmart and let's see, it looks like I spent about $55. I don't know, what's it say here? This is so faded, the ink. It looks like I spent about $55, guys. So, all right, so let me tell you what I got. I had to take everything out of the bag. So I needed a honey, so we got one of these. We've been having a lot of Greek yogurt and honey. And I was looking for the big containers of the Greek yogurt. I like the Greek yogurt whole, and I do like it flavored vanilla, and this one is flavored vanilla. So, and it is the Great Value brand. Okay, so I got 2 of those, but these are not big containers, guys. It says 2 pounds. You know, we need some huge containers because I'm going to be using that a lot in meal prep. But this is just for us to have for dessert, believe it or not. We like that with honey and blueberries, absolutely delicious. And they did not have anything bigger than this in cottage cheese. So they did have it in whole milk, so I was happy. But this one is 24 ounces of cottage cheese, and like I use a lot of cottage cheese. So I bought 2 of the Sure deodorants. Okay. Now we also use a lot of Propel, especially now in this heat. We've been in this heat. It's like 100 degrees or plus. It feels like all day. And this is definitely something you want to keep hydrated. So get those extra electrolytes in, guys. So we've been using Propel. I'm sorry for the noise. My son's bringing in all the filtered water. These are the burgers that we get. Keep this in the freezer, and these last us. Lately, Matthew's been eating a lot of burgers, so I got another one of those. And we've been using a lot of blueberries. So I was the only one eating blueberries, but now we're both eating blueberries over our yogurt or our cottage cheese. So I got 2 of these. And that's pretty much all I got, and the filtered water. So I don't know. I think that's what I spent though. Because the ink is faded, it's very hard for me to see it. So I'm gonna say about $45 to $50 because the ink is faded. So that's what I spent. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I don't even realize, I just realized that I did not announce the collaboration at the beginning of the video. This is part of the Foodie grocery haul, and hosting with me is Deborah Cabasa Home Living and Debbie Bubbles. So I'm sorry about that, but we're tired and it's late, and this is all we got. So have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.